Ciao a tutti da JGR Studios, il nostro canale dedicato alle lezioni, recensioni e tutorial sull'audio recording. Vi ricordo che i nostri corsi ufficiali Presonus Studio One ed Acoustic Audio sugli altri software e sulle tecniche di audio mix e mastering sono disponibili sul sito www.proaudiolearning.com. Non dimenticate di iscrivervi cliccando sul pulsante sotto a destra e di attivare la campanella per ricevere notifiche dei nuovi video caricati. Hi, I'm Yuri from JGR Studios. Welcome back to my channel. Then today we are going to talking about Daisy. This is a new plugin from Acoustic Audio and we are going to talking about that because it's one of my favorite tool ever and then can improve a lot the workflow in any DAW. So, what it is Daisy? Daisy is an ADC DAC emulations. It means not only the distortion and clipping typical of the DAC equipment, but we are going to talking about colors. Everyone know how much I love the colors and how much I love to put colors on my tracks and on my master and mixes. This time we have a very nice control. This is not the first time we see something like that because it was already present on another Acoustic Audio plugins. It was on Huwi Mastering Console. This console was already previewed and reviewed on my channel. It's in Italian, sorry. But the ADC stage, the color of this stage was already sampled and used inside this kind of plugins. Now we have Daisy, and Daisy is a collection of 5 different converters, the colors of different converters, and then we can go into listening what happened inside the converters. We have very simple controls, input, output, and it's easy to understand that. We have drive control and the correlate control. The drive is about the distortion. It's about the harmonic distortion of the converters, then correlate is related to the stereo sound stage. So if we want to have more euphonic effects, a more opening on the stereo image, and in my opinion it's fantastic. So we have also drift control to add some more variation, random variation in the signal timing, and this adding subtle imperfections, for example, like the analog gear have. We have also the deter, the bit depths, and of course the oversampling that I love to use at the maximum, and the bypass button and the delta button, just to understand what is going to happen to our tracks. The ceiling, if we want a true peak control. And now we are going to listen what this plugin going to transform my track. I love to use it in acoustic, especially in the acoustic tracks. In this case, I'm going to use it on guitars and drums. Very easy. It's a very typical acoustic situation. And we are going to listen the real difference. What I suggest is to use a very good headphones or a very good speaker in ambient, very well treated, just to have the right focus on the differences and the subtle differences. So let's go. So I really love Daisy. I will use for sure on all my mixes and mastering. It's not, of course, a substitution of all my converters, but it's a very nice tool to add subtle differences, subtle colors and enhancement on the tracks. It's a very good tool and it sounds absolutely fantastic. So what I suggest is going to the website, download the demo, try by yourself, let me know in the comments what you think about that. So thank you so much for joining my channel. See you on the next. Ciao.